All right, YouTube. We have here a MINN KOTA 30-pound thrust trolling motor, and I had to find a solution for my kayak because I didn't want to put a heavy 40-50 pound battery on my kayak. So what we have here is a MAKITA adapter that I found online on Amazon. Cost about 13 bucks. And then I have a MAKITA 5 amp hour 18 volt battery, lithium ion. Now these batteries have a high capacity, and so with this, I'm in construction, so I have quite a few of these. So my plan is to carry a bunch of these on my kayak, cycle them out as needed if I run out of juice. But with that being said, we have that adapter hooked up to this buck boost transformer, and input voltage on that, you can go up to 24 volts. Now these MAKITA batteries, they come in at 18 volts. So what that does is that steps that down on the input side, that 18 volt to 12 volts. So my output voltage is 12 volts, which is what is required to run this MINN KOTA trolling motor. Also, I didn't mention the ampacity. This trolling motor is 30 amp. Well, I went a little bit overboard with my buck boost transformer, or converter, I guess you could call it, and got a 40 amp output transformer. That being said, I guess I'll give you a demo of how this works. So make sure the trolling motor's off. Connect the battery. Boom. And we're in there, and then we got the blades down here. I'm gonna turn it on 1. That's speed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that being said, with the motor, I did not mention till just now, each setting has its own amp draw. I believe first is about 8 or 9 amps. Then second and third jump up to about 10 to 15 amps. And then fourth and fifth are around 25 and 30 amps. The highest amperage that you get, the amp draw that you get out of here, is 30 amps. I recommend, which I did not put on my setup, but I will be addressing that in the future, is adding a 30 amp fuse, which I have here. I might bump that up to a 40 or 50 amp fuse later on, but I recommend installing that on your line side, just in case you have any kind of electrical issues. But yeah, this little 18 volt MAKITA battery will hold you over and get your trolling motor going for your kayak.